Today we're going to learn about the features that can be found in global settings and how to use them. Let's click the settings icon. Keep in mind that all the settings found here are global settings and will affect all your projects. We'll start with My Organization. Here you can edit the name of your organization and your default currency. You can also upload a primary logo for light mode and a reversed version for dark mode. You also have the color palette, which you can edit to reflect your agency's color scheme. Lastly, you can customize the font types used in your projects and documents. The ones you choose here will be the default, but you can customize them for each project. Next is Team Members. If you have a business account, on this page you can invite anyone to be part of your team. Simply click Invite Team Member and insert your team member's information, then choose the role. For every team member you invite, you can choose one of 3 roles: Admin, which has full permissions, Project Manager, which can manage all projects, or Member, which can be assigned only to specific projects. The subscription and billing page allows you to manage your SuperOkay subscription, change the payment method, or upgrade your plan. Creating a custom domain is simple, but requires you to actually own a domain and have access to your domain registrar, where your domain is hosted. Before anything else, you need to choose a subdomain for your account. This will be the default domain on all your portals, but if you connect the account to your own custom domain, the subdomain will become idle and never be seen by your clients. SuperOkay will give you 3 values to insert in the DNS settings of your domain registrar. Go to your registrar and access the DNS settings. Copy and paste the information from SuperOkay. Keep in mind that DNS settings usually take some time to spread, and it could take SuperOkay anywhere from an hour to a full day to reflect, but it usually shouldn't take more than an hour. Let's look at Email White Label. This will show your client invites as coming from a sender name chosen by you instead of SuperOkay. Before you do anything, you need to set up an email from your domain. After you create your email, come back to SuperOkay and insert the email and sender name that you want your clients to see. Next, you'll need to insert the DNS settings into your registrar, like custom domain. Now let's look at Client Portal. Here we have some options to customize our portals. In General Settings, you can choose your default language and the type of login your clients will see. Either email and password or magic link. Leaving both switched on will allow your client to choose between them. Login Theme allows for a new and unique way to onboard your clients. If you send your subdomain or custom domain to your client after adding them to a project, they'll be able to insert their email address and receive a magic link to login. Just make sure to add them as a client to a project first. You can customize this page in several different ways. Change from light to dark mode, choose a background color or a background image. You can position your sign-in form where you want it, choose a header title and add instructions. In SEO optimization, you can choose a favicon for your pages. Choose the meta title and description as well as the cover image. These will show up in link previews. For more guides on how to use SuperOkay, visit our YouTube channel and join our Facebook community.